What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth cutting issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, to fix this issue, try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and after restarting your phone the Bluetooth cutting issue will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your issue, then clear the Bluetooth app data and cache memory. So for that, open settings, scroll down, and here click on apps. Now click on this filter icon and then turn on show system apps button. After that, click on OK to apply changes, and then go to the search bar and search for Bluetooth. Now open the Bluetooth app, and after that scroll down and go to its storage. Now from here, clear the app data and cache memory of Bluetooth. Just simply tap on clear cache and clear data to clear the cache memory and data. And after that, if you are still facing the same issue, then last option is try updating your mobile software. So to update the mobile software, open settings, scroll down to the end and click on software update, and then click on download and install. Now here in download and install, you will be able to see the available updates for your phone. So if there is any update pending, then download the update and update your phone to the latest version of your software. And after updating the mobile software, the Bluetooth cutting issue will be 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.